Hello and welcome everybody. Now today we are explaining Mullen stock on its purpose on what we wanted to have to see that it's going to be very well and very good educating thing that you want to check out and focus on because that is going to be things that is referring to a previous parties that we want to make such a feedback about this stock. If we are going to enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and don't forget to start to watch video because this is going to be have a lot of basic things that is going to be very good for us. Okay, however, we want to know the price that we can see on Mullen stock next time. Okay, the thing that is going to be about this right trackment is focusing on how can this be next time, like what we want to see here, because the Mullen stock is always at the hand or the thing that is holding all the traders in this stock. Okay, because since it has started to decrease from this level to this level, it took about huge investments from the start of 2020 on May, okay, on the start of on the middle of July, and then the company holded these stocks, and then let a lot of people sold it, and then all again happens the same manner of the buying stock and investing in this stock, and then it wanted to make a decrease in momentum again, and this happened three times. Okay, this happened three times. So then it wanted to decrease here and a small investments. Okay, we cannot count this. Okay, because it's going to be small investments, about two USD and a half. So if we want to see the price that has been jumped from 2 USD and 27 cents, it had been jumped to 17. So it's going to be a difference of 50. So if we want to have our price, but whether would we going to be after this Mullen stock? So continue to watch the video and focus on what I can explain here because this is going to be referring back to what we want to have in our mind to focus about because this is going to be very important to be explained about what we want to see in every daily day on this stock. So we can go for the one on the stock on those two trend lines, okay, with the circle here and then increase. Okay, however, this is going to be the thing that matters. Okay, from this circle, okay, we have to put it in increase here. Okay, that is not going to be very bad to know that one on the stock since it started from the value of what we want to have here, about what we can see also the gap between this level and this level. Okay, the difference between this level and this level in value is about 5 USD. So there is no there is no uh, a good part that indicating for us that a 5 USD has not been traded during this movement on the during the trading during the close of trading. Okay, so we can see that the company had made this on purpose, and we can see that the part that we want to mm, focus on also is going to be in the middle of the two trend lines that we focus here or that we see here, because that is going to be referring for us or feedback about the price that we want to have or mention. Remember what we wanted to know. So it's going to be about the price that we see after this increase. Maybe if we wanted to have such a thing that is going to be making such a huge investments, since we can see the part with, okay, 1 and 0, so 12 USD here is going to be 773 cents. So we wanted to know how can, okay, 14 USD, how can we see that decrease? Okay, if you divided this value by 20, it will give you this value. If you divide this by 10, by 2, sorry, it will give you this value. So Okay, always we can see this value is half of this value. 0.5 Fibonacci level is going to be half of this value. So I think since it had reached here, it didn't make any equilibrium and it tended to decrease immediately. Although it had made such green candles in this part, but it was on the light green area and not was in the heavy green area, so it tended to decrease in momentum in this form. Okay, that is the thing that I can see in my opinion about it. If it's going to be the thing that is accurate and it can be right for traders to know, since it was like this. Okay, we can see that the increase absolutely would be like if we think about the price of the, okay, of this value and this value, if you divide this by 10 here, if you divide it by 20, so if we return it back here and we put another right retracement, and we can see if you divide this by 10, okay, it can be always same manner here. Okay, okay, that is about to be the same manner here, because I think it that is going to be true about what we can focus on. Okay, we cannot divide this by 3, but it can be divided according to the the value that it can be subtracted here from. Okay, maybe it's not going to be the thing that is what we are going to focus, but the thing that we want to focus is going to be the middle part here, since we can see the price is going to make an equilibrium between this level and this level, which is going to be a level of 13 USD and the level of 9 USD. So that going to be the meaning of circle here and circle, another circle. Okay, however, this is going to be very important and good good statement about what we want to have in our journey here, or maybe a Mullen stock. So you can see after it and part where it has trend line. Okay, however, that is what I can think about maybe about Mullen stock and all the journey that we could explain in our view. Okay, and hope you benefit from what we saw in this video, and good luck on another episode about the price prediction news today, and see you next time on another episode of Mullen stock.